This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Land Rover LR4. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a heated steering wheel, a locking center differential, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, hill start assist, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, a rear window defroster, front fog lights, rear impact crumple zones, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. When you purchase a certified pre-owned Land Rover, luxury, capability, and confidence are yours, thanks to a complete 150-point quality assurance inspection, a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty, and 24/7 roadside assistance. You can have peace of mind along your journey. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Land Rover Dallas is located at 11400 North Central Expressway in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. Experience why Land Rover Dallas has earned the Pinnacle Award, the highest award bestowed upon Land Rover centers for truly exceptional customer service.